Do I take it off? What's up, YouTube, and welcome to my channel. My name is Ebony. What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. On my channel, I basically just do brows, you know, stuff with beauty. In this video, I am going to be reviewing a brow pencil, okay? I have the Too Faced pomade and a pencil. I never used this before. My Target recently put the Ulta in there. So, girl, we already know. Ulta, Starbucks, and Target, they bringing in major bucks. I got espresso 36 hours sculpt and control, and is waterproof. I'm not going to be testing the 36 hours because I'll break out. I'm gonna be honest with you, I'll break out. So yeah, let's go ahead and try this. If you are interested, go ahead and give this video a like, okay? Come on and subscribe to me, okay? This is my first time using like a brow pencil other than Anastasia. This is how it's looking. Look at that. In the shape of a heart. That's too cute. So I'm going to take off this. Okay. Has like a pretty good tip on it. Don't turn it too much because you can't put it back in there, apparently. The spoolie is pretty soft. It's not hard at all, which is cool. Ooh. It glides on so easy. Wow. And it's real. Do you see that? It's pretty dark. It's pretty dark. Wow. And it brushes out. Wow, this is nice though. This is a nice pencil. And if you can tell, it's like I'm not pressing down or anything like that when it comes to this pencil. Wow, that looks so nice already. The top right here, I'm using a really light hand. I'm just really not trying to put that much pressure right there because I can make a really harsh line and I don't want to do that. That's not what I want to do. So I'm just gonna keep going. I'll probably have to stop. Hold on, let me lightly. I'm gonna lightly tap right here just to give it some color, you know. I might have to thicken this brow up because I always have to. This is how we looking. Wow, pretty pigmented. I'm not done with it, but it's very pigmented. It's getting that job done though. Wow, like even if you try to add more on top, like, you know, you can tell that there's a buildup when it comes to this pencil. This pencil makes me happy though. I haven't used a pomade in so long because I just didn't have control over it. And this really does feel like a freaking pomade. Like, what the heck? Just crazy. So here I am. On to the next side. Oh, that's crazy. It's kind of hard doing it from this side. So if I gotta turn my head a little bit more, I would. Wow. You don't need a lot. Like, it's just that stroke. And this looks really good. Like, I'm a fan. Like, brows can go real quick. You can do your brows pretty quick with this pencil. You see how this brow can just look so damn thick? Wow. So you can get a real picture of what this color is looking like. Sorry, I'm gonna be adjusting the brightnesses like throughout the video. Look at this pigment though, come on now. Yeah, that's nice pigment. It's my Fenty concealer. I went to Sephora and I told the cashier to take this concealer out because I was not going to pay for it. Guess what? She took it off my bill but kept it in the bag, and I was like I was so excited, so freaking excited. You should have seen how she was looking at me. Anyway, so this is my new pickup. This is the Fenty Beauty foundation. This is the hydrating long wear foundation. This is the medium coverage. The texture of this feels really nice, really comfortable, real smooth. Like, I really do like this stuff. I'm going to take this on the top of my brow, but for the bottom of my brow, for a nice little highlight or whatever, I'm going to use her concealer. The concealer that I am in is 420, and if you're wondering, I am in the shade 445. I'm just going to take her concealer on the back of my hand, just like that. Eyebrow concealer. I don't mess up. I'm not. I put a lot on here. I got a little carried away, but that's okay. You still want to come out looking nice? Now, the trick to getting a nice straight line is to give yourself some room for a mistake. I made my eyebrows thicker. I like a thick brow. I can also do a thin brow, but you know, going for a thicker brow for me is a little bit easier because then I can make it thin, you know what I'm saying? But if I don't want to, or like if I mess up, I can make it thin, you know what I'm saying? But that's just like a good tip, you know what I'm saying? And I'm gonna take my foundation. I never knew that I have like an olive undertone. I thought it was like more yellow or something like that, but Rihanna made me learn that I have an olive undertone. So I'm going to just go ahead and take this on the top. I'm gonna stop it right there because I really do like for the top of my eyebrows to look the same. So I'm gonna stop right here. I'm not done with this, but I'm gonna come over here and start this one so I don't make it too thin. Ooh. This foundation is more looser, obviously, because it's a foundation. So, so if you want to start with less and kind of pat it dry, that way it's a little bit more tacky, so you can have more control over the product. If you're using a foundation or maybe even a loose concealer, less is always more. So, yeah, just take your time with it, guys. I don't want to... I like to take this foundation brush by Real Techniques and blend it out.
Sometimes there's extra product on the side of my brow, and I just take that away. I'm gonna go right here in the middle and put that foundation in the middle of my brow. Right here, just like a single line, or just, what I'm saying, like real, like that. And blend this out.
So I'm just gonna go ahead and ombre this out. Make sure everything else is up. I like for my arches to be known, baby. So I'm just gonna darken this up right here, just like that. And I'm gonna come back and add a little bit of product at the end right here, and I'm gonna keep blending. And once I feel like it looks good, I'm gonna take my pen or my brush again and make a line of demarcation, just like that. Go ahead and blend the other side. Yeah. And put some right here. Cool. Right there. And I'm gonna grab my brush again. And do that. Okay, you guys, I really love how these brows came out. They look so freaking good, so freaking fire. Like, it's giving me my inspo back, you know what I'm saying? And my inspo has been lost for a very long time in makeup, so I'm very, very glad that, I done this and I did this. Oh yeah, if you want a close-up on my brows, here you go. Let me turn the brightness down. Now, I like turning the brightness down just so you can see how pigmented this is. Well, this is like how it looks in the mirror. Pretty dark. Well, thank you so much for watching this video, guys. If you like it, if you thought it was helpful, go ahead and like this video. For real, like it. Okay. Subscribe to my channel. Leave a nice comment. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.